So,
Colin. Okay, here's the goofy giggler.
oh my goodness, version 12. We're going to celebrate it again. We're going to stay at the Embassy Suites on downtown Chicago on Square Street.
How many is that?
What?
How many is that? 4?
No, that was 5.
Oh.
Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.
You all set? Do you need change?
No.
All right. Thank you very much. I
Thanks.
hope you guys have a great
You
day.
too.
Oh my god.
Colin. You're making too much of this.
Oh my god.
You didn't say where we are. You didn't say where we are.
I had something to say at the end.
I'm watching somebody fishing on the TV.
How many seasons was that? Was that 7?
Fish caught a little fish.
Well, oh well, oh well. The first sneeze date at Red Robin and Weber Road and Veterans Parkway.
Okay.
This is like your first time ever sneezing over here. Alright, that's it.